In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add manual time entries in QuickBooks Time, step by step, using the browser version. Manual time entries are perfect when someone forgot to clock in, worked offline, or needs a correction for a specific shift. I'll walk you through the exact flow so your records stay accurate and properly tied to customers and service items for reporting and billing. Start by opening your browser and logging in to QuickBooks Time. Make sure you're in the correct company account and that you have permission to add or edit time for yourself or for your team. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu and click Time Entries. This takes you to the place where all timesheets are managed and where you can add a new one. Next, click Add Time Entry. This opens a form where you'll fill out the key details. Begin by selecting the team member from the drop-down. If you're adding time for someone else, choose their name carefully so the hours post to the right person's timesheet. Now choose the type. You'll see two options: time in, out, or duration. Pick time in, out if you know the exact start and end times for the shift. This is ideal when you want the timesheet to show when the work began and ended, which can help with overtime calculations and break compliance. Pick duration if you only need to capture the total hours worked, such as 7.5 hours, without specific start and end times. Enter the time in and time out, or if you selected duration, type in the total hours. Use the correct format, AM and PM or 24-hour time, based on how your account is set up. Double-check that the times don't overlap with any existing entries and that they reflect the right day shown on the screen. Next, select the customer from the drop-down. This links the time to a specific client or job for job costing and billing. Then select the service item, which is required. The service item describes the type of work performed, like installation, maintenance, or consulting, and it's essential for accurate reporting and invoicing. If you have any additional context, add notes. Keep notes brief but clear. Things like location, task details, or a short reason for the manual entry can be very helpful later. When everything looks right, click Save to record the manual time entry. If the system flags a required field, fill it in and save again. You should now see the entry listed and ready for approval or payroll depending on your workflow. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.